Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you some of the benefits of beetroot. The very first is it is rich in nutrients with the presence of a variety of minerals as well as vitamins, vitamin C and magnesium being one of them. Secondly, it contains iron. Thirdly, it is low in calories, making it fall under one of the classes of foods with low calories. But I would love to ask, is beetroot a fruit or vegetable? To answer the question presented by me, this is a vegetable. It is one of the expensive vegetables in Cameroon depending on your location. Most times you might buy a single one for 500 francs. It equally contains fiber and fiber aids in digestion. Quick disclaimer, I am not a doctor. Please consult your doctor before proceeding to consume beetroot. Consult your nutritionist or dietitian. In my previous video, I showed you how to make beetroot juice at home without a juicer or blender, and the reason why that was done is because there is no electricity in my area, hence the reason why I have learned to improvise. In another video I'll be showing you how to make beetroot juice with either a juicer or a blender or both, so please stay tuned. The sixth benefit is that it is versatile. So the benefit of beetroot cannot only be limited to drinking, it can equally be added to salads, vegetable salads to be precise. I have a video on my channel on how to make vegetable salad. I'm going to link it in the description box, so you please check it out. It is going to show you how to make the best vegetable salad. There's beetroot displayed on my tray. Now this is one of the many additions to salad. Beetroot is sweet and firm, so if you go to the market and you are sold soggy beetroot, you have to look at it properly. It is not fresh. Aside having it as juice or adding it to salads, you can equally add it to smoothies. With the beautiful pop of color, you can equally add this to ice cream. Due to the beautiful pop of color it presents or brings, beetroot can be added to many other dishes, used as food coloring, perhaps when you're cooking rice. Some people now use beetroot to make puff puff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and check out the ones in my description box. I'll most certainly see you. Thank you again. Bye.